Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I'm so excited to share these products with you. The problem is I need you to run and go get them in your shopping cart on the website, because 98% of them are all very, very limited. Once they're gone forever. And I'm worried that you're going to miss out. So let's jump in really fast so you can go get them, because I don't want you to miss out. If you're watching this video and you go to our website to look for it and it's not there, it's gone. I'm sorry. Let's jump into the embellishments first. You can get sprinkles. It's all about the sprinkles, especially when we're celebrating, right? You get 3 sheets of the epoxy sprinkles in one set, which is really, really fun. We also are releasing, and who does not love flowers with pearls? We're releasing some teal flowers, a 3-pack of the felt flowers on the website now. Last but not least, for the embellishments, I love these wire words. They are actually paper clips. Look how cute that is. And you can do them both ways. So there it is. I just grabbed a piece of cardstock to put them on. But look at that. That's the back. But they're perfect for planners, for cards, for anything you want. They say hooray, thanks, love, and hello. Aren't they cute? I love them. And they're nice and flat, so they're not going to be bulky on your cards. We're also releasing, and this again is limited edition, and this one is a good one, let me tell you. It is our Happy Fallidays collection. So this includes sunset, sunflower, tangerine, midnight, slate, and artichoke. And let me just tell you, I am in love. We got our cute little pumpkin spice, our little scarecrow, our little sweater vest. These colors go perfect together. Now, if you're familiar with our cardstock, I call it pattern paper. It's really pattern cardstock. Listen, that's one sheet. Printed in the USA. Look at how dang adorable that is. So much fun. Make sure you go get this. If I were you, I'd get at least 2 pads. Happy harvest, happy harvest. Perfect for your fall cards. Last but not least, well, actually 2 more items. Sunflower dies. Years ago, we released a class on sunflowers, and we're releasing the items from that class, not the class, just the items from that class, because some people are new to us and they didn't get a chance to watch or do that class. So now we're offering the products. Now there are these sunflower dies, but there are also stamps that match. I don't have those because they're going to be hot off the press when we get them. So go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Check out all of these items. If you are a club member, my loves, you will get the club discount on all of these items. So that's 15 to 20% off every single item on our website. It's like a sale every single day. You don't have to wait for a sale because every day is a sale. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.